Very windy. Look at my head. Oh my God, Ted, looks like I've got half a head. I could disappear. I could disappear into the sun, into the sky. Listen, this kid's got his mum's traits. Right, what do you mean I mean? What do you mean I mean? You're constant.
I just said we should get beanie hat, it's so cold.
We should get beanie hat, yeah?
North Face,
Only because you had North Face jacket on, I was looking at that and I thought North Face, right? And you went, yeah, I've seen one, Dad.
I saw it last year.
I've seen one, Dad.
I saw it last year.
Yesterday we were looking at Ford Fiestas.
Nothing, yeah, a whip.
And he's got 2 years to drive. Then he was looking at t-shirts.
I was looking at t-shirts for 2 weeks.
T-shirts for 2 weeks, right? So then what he did, he went, Dad. I've seen this nice t-shirt that I think you'll look great in for the gym. So he showed me it and he sold it to me. This is what his mum does, and this is the tricks he's got like his mum. So then he showed me his t-shirt and I was like, yeah, that'll look quite nice actually, said Jim. He went, yeah, they got my size too. Yes, you did. And then all of a sudden we got 6 t-shirts in this cart. He said, kiss your bank card, Dad.
I didn't say that, no, you said here's a bank card, all 6.
Bruv, you've linked them into your car. Link them into your car. We was at football watching Frank's lot, and then you got these t-shirt, matching t-shirts, me and you, in the gym together, like we're a couple, wearing the same t-shirts. Took my bank card, ordered them, come to a few quid, and when they come, not one t-shirt was any good. On me or him. Well, you got that. That's what I was getting at. Not one t-shirt, that's all right, that one. Not one t-shirt was good. So we had to send them back, that was 2 weeks ago, and it took 2 weeks to get my refund back. And the refund has hit my account now, and now all of a sudden it's like, Dad, you like this t-shirt? Dad, you like this hat? You weren't going to pester me, because ordering reckless stuff. Yes. That's right, isn't it? Do you not think that's right? The right thing to do is when you mess up and you order stuff off the interweb and it needs to go back, you've got to wait for your refund to happen before you spend any more money. Because I only allocated a certain amount of money for me and you to look like twins in the gym. Yeah, you want to look like your dad, innit? Man's 40, cuz. Man's 40 and you want to look like a 40-year-old. You're 16, what do you want to look like a 40-year-old for? Wait until I start wearing my corduroys. My corduroy trousers, you've not seen them ones. If you did, you saw them the other day, you went, oh, they're nice. The brown ones I got, the barber ones, the corduroys. The trousers, bro, the ribbed looking one. You pulled them out of the bag a little while ago when we were sorting out our stuff. See what I mean? All about now, forgetting. Well, what t-shirts you like? Just a t-shirt.
Free delivery too.
How much is that t-shirt? Pricing?
26.
Well, I don't mind. I think a good t-shirt. I think a gym t-shirt to wear to the gym. I think 25 quid maximum. 20 quid. Yeah. That was a good buy. £20 for a gym t-shirt's a good buy. Some of these gym t-shirts like 50 quid and stuff like that. I think that's just reckless money. 20 quid's a good buy. Right, it's getting busy now. Things are gonna get real in a minute. Kids are coming out.
That's on the same face as him.